What's up everyone? It's me, yours truly, John Valencia. Welcome back to True Asian Diaries, a mega live shout out mga kaayos. We are back for a reaction video for All Out Sundays Super Voices! Yes, for today, ay mag-react tayo sa Super Voices at tingnan natin anong playlist nila for this week's Super Voices. And of course, for sure, epuksaan na naman ito dahil sobrang ganda itong segment na to. I love it so far. And of course, if you're new to this channel, guys, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. Alright, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, and go. Here it is, guys. Whoa. Hey, jeez. Wow, John Rex is opening up. Love the dynamics. Ooh. Hey. Amazing rendition. Oh, with John. Sweet naman ang version niya, ni John. Hey! Grabe yung arrangement, guys. Whoa! Grabe yung top note na yun. Wow, amazing rendition of Jong and John Rex for Halik. Grabe yung arrangement. Ang ganda na umpisa ni John Rex, no? Yung controlled vocal dynamics. Tapos yung pasok ni Jong, very sweet and chill. Love it. Let's see what's next. Jessica. Ang tanong pa na nilelevel up. Go, Maring Jessica! Simplihan lang sa kanya, guys. Ginawa pang contest? Wow! Wow, that's how you do it. I love it talaga pagdating sa arrangement ng AOS. Grabe! Ginawang pang finale ng concert ni Maring Jessica. Grabe yon. And that vocal flair, the high notes at the end, tinanong ko pa naman paano niya i-level up. Ni-level up ng Maring Jessica for today's video. Diba? Smile lang siya, guys. Simple lang. Parang wala lang. Kasi naman ito. Maring Thea. Si Stephanie ata yung kasama.
Sintamis ng wine, sintatag ng sunshine, tunghayan mo sana.
Ganda ng style ni Thea. Ay, grabe naman ang dami ito ng Jenny Sikat.
O ang pag-ibig mo, sinta.
Galing. Wow, ganda ng switching ni Stephanie doon. Ganda ng thin note. Disney Princess vibe version. Hey! Wow! Grabe yung puksaan. Grabe yung pinnote ni Stephanie. Siyempre, pasabog din ang ending na to. Wow! Grabe! Jenny Sikat and Thea Ashley or Stephanie and Thea Ashley. Grabe. Oh my God. Nagpuksaan sila doon. Grabe ang thin note ni Jenny tuloy. Ni Stephanie, guys. Alam mo yung Disney Princess Diva na belter, ganun yung version ni Stephanie. And of course, Thea, very stylish R&B kind of vibe of vocal. Very sultry din. Grabe, nakakamiss si Mami Rita kasi wala na siya sa AOS dahil nga nagpalit siya ng management. And of course, just a story time fan fact, guys. Nung nanood ako ng Kwendam dati sa studio ng All Out Sunday, si Stephanie at saka to si Thea, super BFF niyan sa dressing room, guys. So, grabe yung mga pinag-uusapan nila. Chares, huwag na natin i-book kung ano yun. Pero, super BFF yung dalawang yan sa dressing room. Tignan natin silang susunod. Oh, Maring Julie. Oh my God, dalawa sila ni si The Veiled Cup. Oo, si Arabelle. Grabe din ang Dara Halal, guys. Charot. Grabe. Vocal ni Arabelle. Ano ang kapal? Mukhang mag-give na give yung Maring Julie today. Wow! Bumuga ang Arabelle. Wow! Ho-ho! Wow! Love the counterpart. Grabe, thin notes. Headphone yung ginagamit ni Ata ni Julie. Grabe yun. Wow! Oh my God! Grabe, finally, Julian unleashing the diva, the Dara Halari in her. Oh, I love that ending. At syempre, puksaan silang dalawa ni Arabelle. Grabe yun! Hey, everybody! Ganda ng arrangement, guys. Grabe solo ang Maring Jessica, no? Amazing! Kabog! That's how you do it, guys! Grabe! There you have it, guys! That is All Out Sunday Super Voices! Yes, grabe ang performance na to with AG's hit list. Grabe naman talaga. Oh, kapag AG's talaga, guys, basagan ng lalamunan at syempre, puksaan dapat ang datigan. Grabe ang puksaan for today's video. Iba ang pinakita nila. I think, as in, nagle-level up every week ang Super Voices. So, I'm so excited to see yung mga susunod pa. Wala nga lang ngayon ang The Voice Kids sa Super Voices. But of course, we're looking forward for their performance as well. Grabe! Nag-enjoy ako ng bongga and I love it. I love the puksaan. I love the lung power. I love the energy and the arrangement and the production. Sobrang ganda. Kudos to AOS production for having this new segment na talaga naman inaabangan natin every week. How about you guys? What can you say about this performance? You can comment down below and let's discuss in the comment section. Of course, if you enjoyed this reaction video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Once again, my name is John. This is True Leisha Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.